Right, welcome back, dear good people. Now let us continue here. Right, if we look at the question here, what is it that I have here now? Solve for x if you are given a square root of a square root of 32 plus x, close brackets, multiplied by a square root of a square root of 32 minus x. Are you with me? Now, this is equal to x, sorry. This is equal to x there, right? Now, here, what the examiner wants you to see here, right? Or what the examiner wants you to do here. The examiner is trying to check if you know your rules. That's the rules that govern what? Rules that govern exponents, for example. Rules that govern what you call like like square roots. Basically, that's what he wants to. That's what the examiner wants you to do. Like to see. Don't fear. This is very, very easy. Don't what? Don't fear. Don't fear. Don't fear. Now, if we go to, let's say, grade 8, grade 9, I'm just making an example. Remember now, like in those lower classes, you might have learned that if I've got the square root of a multiplied by the square root of b, for example, can you see that? For as long as this is a square root, there's a 2 here, most square root, there's a 2 here. Then this you can simply rather than having independent square roots, you can simply bring those under one square root and say a times b inside. That is the rule that I'm going to use here, right? So here I've got a big square root. I've got a big square root. I don't even look at the inside. I just deal with the bigger square root. So a bigger square root multiplied by a bigger square root, a bigger square root multiplied by a bigger square root is only one square root. Now can you see now? What the examiner is trying to trick you with here, right? Can you see? If I were to count all the square roots that I have, 1, 2, 3, 4, there are so many. Can I reduce them? Let's see. In this case, I will just put one square root instead of having this square root and that square root. Then, what am I left here with? What am I left here with inside? What am I left here with inside? Inside, I have the square root of 32, yes, plus x, I say brackets, because I am bringing in, right, this inside. So, multiplied by, this is square root 32, minus what here? Minus x, close brackets, right, close brackets, close brackets, close brackets, and then, there we go. This is equal to what? X. This is beautiful. I love this. Can you see now? Let's count now the total number of square roots that I have. 1, 2, 3. I have managed to make it easier for me. It's a bit easier for me now. Now I look inside. Hey. When I look inside, I see this plus this. Whatever I have here, I have here. Whatever I have here, I have here. The only difference is the sign. Then what do I think? I think of a difference of 2 squares. This was a difference of 2 squares. Then easy for me. Square root 32, even if you want to multiply it out, it doesn't matter. I wouldn't even go there. Square root 32 multiplied by square root 32, then what is that I'm going to get here? 32, for example. That's what I'm going to get there now, right? Now, x and x there, this must have been what there? X squared. I won't even solve this. If you want to, you can do that. Square root 32 multiplied by square root 32 will give me a 32. Square root 32 multiplied by negative x, I'll get negative x times square root 32. Negative. Square root 32 times positive x, I'll get positive x square root 32. Positive x square root 32 and negative x square root 32 will give me a 0. Positive times negative, negative x times x squared. But remember, there was that big square root sign. There we go. This is equal to what now? X. Can you see now? I had 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I had here how many? 1, 2, 3. How many square roots do I have now? Signs do I have here now? Only 1. Full stop. Do you see me now? That's how beautiful this thing is. Let's go. Now, how do I get rid of a square root now? How do I get rid of a square root now, like in the next example? Right? All that I'll do, I'll square this. I'll say 32 minus x squared square root all squared. I just do that. Then which is equal, if we eat fish on the left hand side, we eat fish on the right hand side. What is my fish there? I've got x. What is my fish here? The only thing that is new here, it's this and that all squared. So whatever I do on this side, I also do it on that side. Then remember now, like a square root is the same as saying 1 over 2. 1 over 2 multiplied, there's what outside there? 2. So 2 goes once, 2 goes once. Then I'm left here with what? 1. Then I no longer have the sign. Then I am left with 32 minus x squared, which is equal to x times x is x squared. Do you see me there now? No? Right? Now what do I do now, like here now? I take x squared to the same side. Then I will be left here with what? With 32 equal to, let's go, x squared plus x squared, which is equal to 2x squared. This is 32. Then I want x squared to be summed to the formula 2x squared divided by 2, 32 divided by 2. What I do on the right hand side, I do on the left hand side. 2 goes into 2 ones, 2 goes into 2 ones, 2 goes into 2 ones, 2 goes into 32, 16. Then I am left here with x squared. X squared is equal to 16. Therefore, x is equal to, if I want x now, the square root of what? 16, right? Therefore, which is equal to x is equal to plus or minus 4, right? I could have done that, right? Another person, what another person could have done here, right? Another student, what another student could have done here, right? Another student could have taken that 32, could have said 32 minus x squared minus x squared. Bring the other x squared this side, minus x squared is equal to 0. Do you see that, Dana? Therefore there, what do we get here now? 32. What do we have here now? Minus 2x squared is equal to what? 0 in this case, right? And then here now, like, what is the common factor between the two terms here? It's 2 into. I'm left here with 16 minus x squared, which is equal to what? 0. Divide by 2 this side. 16 minus x squared is equal to, divide by 2 that side, 0, right? So this also becomes what? The difference of two squares. Therefore, 4 minus x into 4 plus x, for example, which is called what? 0, right? Then you can calculate this now, like 4 minus x is equal to 0, minus x is equal to minus 4. Therefore, positive x is equal to positive what? 4. Or that side, 4 plus x equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to negative 4. So you get two values. So you can either take this if you like, or take that if you like. It doesn't matter which one. Are you with me? Right? There are so many ways, like in mathematics, right? You see, so like the most important thing that I would like to stress here is that if you are given something that is complex, right? So you must make it easy. Make it easy for yourself. Make it easy for yourself. How do you make it easy? Remember your rules. Remember your rules. Rules are very important. That's what the examiner wanted you to see here, right? When it's complex, make it easy, right? And then like you'll get it. I promise you, this is how I've done this question here, right? Before I go again, I would like to thank everyone who has liked my videos, everyone who has shared my videos, everyone who has subscribed to my to my channel. And I ask other people also who haven't yet subscribed to my channel to do that, and then we come together and then we build this. Right? Thank you very much. Right? Then I'll see you in the next class, right? Remember, maths is easy, maths is beautiful, maths is fun. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.